Hello guys, welcome back to Sav's Glam Beauty. You guys, I went ahead and made my first cold processed soap and I really enjoy making it. So I was like, I want to make my second cold processed soap. So that's why I'm here, okay? I just made this body butter, you guys. It's coming very soon. It will actually be up before this cold processed soap that I'm about to make. So watch out for that. It's very beautiful. Like, oh, I can't even tell you how happy I was when I made that body butter. So just watch out for that. I think it's the best I've ever made. I am going to be making some rose clay cold processed soap. My glove just tore up, but I'm not paying it any mind. I just want my hand to be covered for the most part, okay? But here I am, guys. I'm so happy, and I'm going to be making my second cold processed soap. So the first thing I did, guys, oh, hold on, I forgot. I've already mixed up my lye and all of that. So this is my lye, my sodium hydroxide solution is already mixed and everything. So what I'm gonna be working on right now will be my oils, okay? I have some hard oil. This is a coconut oil. I'm going to be melting it down to use it. And I also have some palm oil. I'm going to be using 2 or 3 carrier oil in this recipe. So I have some olive oil here, some coconut oil, and some palm oil. But I'm gonna be adding a tiny bit of castor oil and some olive oil. Like, I'm gonna make this into one batch. All of my oils in total, I'm gonna add 25% of coconut oil, 25% of palm oil, 25% of olive oil, and both of them 25%. Now, I'm gonna take this goggles off. I don't need it right now. The first oil, first off, this is really hard. I can use this. I have to melt it down in my microwave first and all of that. Every 30 seconds, I will check it. But while I'm at it, my total liquid oil and hard oil as well, solid oil, my total will be 1,000 grams in total. So yep. So I'm not gonna be heating anything up. I'm just gonna leave it as is, and I'm gonna pour my lye right in here, okay? So I'm going like so. So now that my lye is in there, I'm going to start my mixing process. I'm first going to burp out all the bubbles that I had in there, and I'm going to start. It's getting trays already. And I think I'm gonna stop right here. I don't want to go any further before I make a mess. I'm gonna be coloring it as well, so I'm stopping right here. At this point, I think I'm in trouble right now. Okay, I think I'm in trouble, but I'm not giving up, okay? I'm just gonna be splitting it into two. And I'm gonna measure out 50 grams of fragrance oil, and I'm gonna be using blood orange margarita from Nature's Garden. Some French pink clay powder. I'm gonna mix it in here like so. Take 2 spoons, 2 teaspoons like so. I hope it's not gonna, ooh, I'm in trouble. I'm in some real trouble, like, I'm in some real trouble, but hopefully it'll work for me. I don't want to like blend it because I know it's gonna give me a trace. So I'm just gonna hand mix it basically and see what's gonna happen. And it's not even changing like that, but this is my second batch, so I know it will turn up good. I'm hopeful like the first one. So yep. So guys, our next portion of the soap, I will be adding some titanium dioxide in it. I'm not measuring it in a particular order. I just wanted to change a little bit. So let's see. This soap is getting really thick on me, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it, like, I don't know, but I'm hopeful. Yes, it's changing though. The titanium dioxide actually changed in no time, which I'm excited about. I'm digging it, like, I'm happy about it. Like, yep, I'm really happy about it. But the rose one, as soon as I put the my blender in there, it will blend properly, but I'm afraid that it will start to like get trace. You know what I mean? So I'm still doing my best to like stir it up in my own weird way until I can figure that out. So I think I need a little bit more of this clay. I'm gonna be adding another spoon in here. I hope I'm not going overboard. So guys, I have to work really fast. I'm gonna be putting my fragrance oil in here like so. I'm gonna put this much, and I'm gonna add the rest in here like that. Okay. But I'm not scared or nothing, because I think by this time I should understand how these things work now. And all of that, it is really, really thick. I don't know if I'm in focus or I'm at the right place, but okay. I'm gonna come right back in here and put my soap in here like so. I just want to make like in the part swirls. I don't know if it'll work, but yep, I'm trying it. I'm trying it, guys. grab my mold like so. My soap is really thick, guys. I don't know what to do right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna be pouring it like so. Can you see me? Guys, I just hope I'm doing the right thing because, oh man. I am scared. I don't know what this soap would turn up to be. Guys, I am struggling over here. Come and get me. All the soap makers should come and get me. I'm messing up here big time. Right. The same way I did the other day. Can you see me? Okay. So I'm gonna go like so. I'm gonna put some rose petals. This smells so good. So, like I said, I'm gonna be adding some rose petals in here like so. Just want a rose just right here. The soap is getting hard a little bit. Guys, this is not an easy work. It's not an easy thing. Like, this is hard. But I'm just glad that I did this. What an experience, right? What an experience. Okay, I'm just adding a little bit more over here. This soap, I believe, will be a beautiful bar, and I'll enjoy cutting it. So, yep, and it smells divine. I will not be mad if all the OG soapers come and get me. Like, I don't know. But anyways, guys, enough of my play. Our rose clay soap, you guys. I'm so proud of this soap. I'm excited. I cannot wait to unmold this because it looks so cute. But I will come back here in 18 to 24 hours to unmold this soap and cut it right before you. It is the next day and this soap hardened up pretty fast. I don't know what I did differently, but it got pretty hard, okay? So I'm gonna be, I couldn't wait. Like, I was just anxious to see how the whole thing was gonna play out, but it turned out pretty good, and I'm really happy about it. Okay? Oh my God, it smells so good. Guys, I do have a lot of what's it called? Air bubbles in here, if you can see. Can you see right here? Because my soap was really hard and I had no choice but to keep pushing. So this is it. So I'm just gonna start the cutting process like that. I'm just taking an itty bitty piece out just to make sure. Oh my goodness. This is insane. But I'm not gonna show it to you just yet. Okay. I guess the embeds will be a problem for me because I'm seeing signs of it. Okay. Let's do this, guys. And can you see this, guys? Right now, I am on top of the world. Oh, the embeds. You see here, guys? It looks amazing. So you see the scribbies is scribbing all here because the embeds. That's the thing about putting embeds on your product. It gives. Oh man, come on, don't mess my work up. So guys, we are back with our final product, you guys. I am so excited for this, guys. Like, look here. Oh my God, it smells so amazing. Like this soap, like the little gap right here, and there's so many air bubbles everywhere. It's because of the thickness of the soap. I could not wrap my hands around what I was doing, like, for the most part, but I'm just happy that I'm getting by and getting through because soap making is